Now, your Weather Authority forecast from Chief Meteorologist Bruce Katz.
Well, it's always busy in the weather department around here, but the next week is about to get real busy. Today we saw cloud cover, not as much sun. It was a cooler day. Temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, and right now we see some upper 40s at Homa, right around 50 to 51, parts of Slidell over toward the airport in Kenner. A lot of dry air in place out there, and as we take a look at the satellite and radar together, you'll notice a very strong southwest flow, pretty typical for this time of year. Now we see a little moisture trying to move into Lafourche and Terrebonne. However, the air is so dry that as any rain that would fall falls through the atmosphere that's dry and it evaporates. It's called virga. As a result, we're just not seeing a whole lot. Now, tomorrow night, notice thicker moisture. That will begin to move in. So tomorrow night into early Thursday, a few showers move by, really more so when we're sleeping. Here's a look now at the Fox 8 forecast model. Tomorrow morning, cloud cover around, not much in the way of any rainfall. Through the afternoon, if we see a sprinkle or two, that'll be pretty much it. And then overnight, as I mentioned, we start moistening up the atmosphere anywhere from around, say, 7 to 8 o'clock tomorrow night into the overnight through about midnight. Showers blow on by, and then on Thursday, we dry out. I think we'll see a little sunshine moving in, and then we're going to see a front with rain on Saturday, and then the temperatures begin to plummet once again. Now, as we look into next week, this is the European model, indicating some cold Arctic air to the north, but this Arctic air is going to continue to move south and moderate. But remember, we have a lot of snow on the ground, so slowly moderating. It's going to kind of hold its own, but farther north near the Yukon and where the North Pole is, that's where the bitter cold air is going to be coming from. As we move in through about 9 o'clock on Wednesday, notice some snow here. Here comes our chilly temperatures, and on Wednesday, this is going to be the overnight rain into Thursday morning. That moves on by. Friday into Saturday, a big warm-up. We will see temps flirting with 70. Don't get used to it, though. Here's what we're watching. Spotty showers from morning through about afternoon, and then the front moves on in. Here it comes. Frigid Arctic air dropping south. Now, the combination has to come together. The stars have to align for us to get the white stuff, snow. Cold Arctic air moving in. This is Monday evening into the overnight into Tuesday. So that Arctic air moves south, but look what's happening down toward Brownsville. Moisture developing. So the timing has to come together where we see that bitter cold air igniting some showers. Eventually, as the shower activity comes up and over that cold air, we could see a mix of sleet, snow, and freezing rain. So likely pipe freezes will be in effect for next week. We will be updating that. But do we get cold enough to get that mix of snow? Well, closer in, this is coming in 9 o'clock on Tuesday. And you'll notice that this model, the European, brings in a pretty good signal of potential snow and freezing rain and sleet. Now, what is Bruce thinking? You're saying, all right, Bruce, you're showing us all this stuff. I'm very confident freezing conditions move on in where we will have pipe busting freezes. I'm also very confident we will see frozen precipitation around the Fox 8 viewing area. The less confident comes in on the precip type, on what type of precip the South Shore or North Shore gets. Would it be snow, sleet, or freezing rain? Right now, early to call. Also, less confident of how low the temps go. We know they're going to be freezing and below, but just how low. Now, as we move in, 44 tonight, 38 to 40 on the North Shore by Friday, 58, then we drop to 38. Now, here's what I'm talking about. Freezing weather, but would this 26 be maybe 22? Could this 24 be 19? It could. That's why the confidence is not there on how low the temps go, although we're going to be in that hard freeze criteria. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, overnight low South Shore in the 40s. Warming up to 60 Saturday, 44 Sunday. Could we be 28 on the South Shore Monday and 26 on Tuesday? That is where the confidence is not there. So far to the north, that's where the coldest of air is. Over the next week, frigid, very cold conditions move in, and the temperatures right now not reflecting it because we're kind of moderating from the last Arctic blast. We're in the 50s right now, some upper 40s on the North Shore, and the 7-day forecast does call for temperatures to warm up Friday and Saturday, but boy, do they go down. We're talking 30s coming in for daytime highs on MLK Day into Tuesday as well. And the wild card is wintry mix, question mark. what type of mix. I'm confident we will get frozen precip. Will we get it on the South Shore and the Metro? Right now, that's the less confidence.
The plot thickens.
Yeah.
The pot does thicken. So we need to pay attention. I mean, this could be really dangerous cold. Even with wind chills, we could be talking single digits, maybe even lower teens. So
Single
it's coming in.
digits
Yeah,
with the
on the
wind
wind chill.
chill. Oof.
We will
Okay.
watch, so stay updated.
All right.
All righty.
Thanks, Bruce.